So I wanted to post a follow-up video on my little Everlast 160 TIG welder. I posted a review video about this machine about 4 years ago. And I honestly thought that I would get like 2 or 3 years out of this machine, and I'd at least have to start replacing components. But 4 years later, I still have the original ground clamp. Still works great. I still have the original torch with the trigger. Original trigger, haven't had to change this. Still works. I do have, if you couldn't see that, I do have a nice gas lens on it. This is a CK Worldwide gas lens with a Pyrex cup. That comes in really good handy. I even still have the original regulator that the machine came with, and I've never had a leak out of this. That's amazing. 4 years, never had a leak out of a cheap, just entry-level TIG welder like this. That's great. So this is my whole setup. That Clark is going to get replaced soon. It's a piece of junk. But I love my little Everlast. It's just a complete peach, and it works great. And no issues out of this regulator. Never had to replace the ground clamp or fix it or replace the torch or replace the button. I mean, come on. You can't beat it. For the price tag, you really can't. And I think that if you're just getting into welding, you're just getting into the hobby, I think that this machine is absolutely perfect. It's plenty affordable, comes with everything you need. A lot of welders you buy, like Lincolns and Millers, you'll spend a ton of money on them, and they won't come with a TIG torch. But this comes with everything. It comes with a stick welding rod holder, comes with the TIG torch, comes with the ground clamp, comes with the regulator. It's awesome. You really can't beat it for the price. It's a great little machine. So 4 years later, and this machine still works great.